Hello, this is Harlan. Welcome to my beginner's class, Quick and Easy Heart Bracelet. This class makes use of molds or cookie cutters to fashion similarly sized needle felted beads, which can easily be made into a bracelet. There are so many possibilities for these simple beads. They can be used as they are or embellished further. We're going to be making a simple heart bracelet that makes use of two colors and combines them in interesting ways within our mold. The materials you will need for this class are felting needles, two colors of fiber, a Clover Rose mold or an open heart-shaped cookie cutter, two wire dog brushes, elastic cord, a needle, and scissors. For your convenience, I have provided a link to a good source for fiber. When needle felting in a mold or a cookie cutter, it is a good idea to tear your fiber into shorter lengths and card these shorter lengths with carding brushes or two-wire dog brushes. Carding fiber breaks the alignment of drummed fiber that has been carded to cause the fibers to run parallel to one another. Fiber that is not aligned felts more easily than does drummed fiber. With the handles of the wire dog brushes pointing away from one another, brush the fiber. Turn the handles to face the same direction allows you to brush and remove the fiber from one of the brushes. You want to continue to brush and remove until the original alignment of the fiber has disappeared and you have a nice tangle of fiber. You can blend two colors together with the wire brushes. You can mix the colors evenly or have one color predominant. Brush the two colors of fiber exactly as you did the solid color of fiber until they are well blended together. You can blend together any number of colors. If you wanted a heart that is all one color, you would stuff your mold with the carded fiber of just one color. How much fiber? That depends on how thick you want your finished heart to be. Needle felting is going to greatly compact the fibers, so you may want to experiment with different quantities of fiber to learn how much makes the bead the size you want. First, let's learn the process of making a bead using a mold. Once we have learned how to properly make a bead, we'll explore easy ways to make those beads more interesting and decorative. Begin felting your fiber in the mold. You want to felt all areas of the fiber within the mold. I find that moving the mold and fibers slightly between jabs of the needles helps to prevent the fibers from felting to the work surface. Turn the mold and fibers over frequently so that you are felting from both sides. This also helps prevent you from felting your fibers to your work surface and promotes more even felting. You want to felt all areas, including right up to the edge of the mold. Molds are not kind to needles, so it is best to work slowly when you are needling next to the edges. Every now and then you should remove the heart from the mold and needle the edges. This is a very important step if you want your beads to be firm. Felt the heart edges very well. Place the heart back into the mold and felt it some more until you have a nice, firm bead. Now let's look at some simple ways to make beads that are much more interesting. One easy variation would be to place some pure color fiber, as seen in the photo on the left, into the mold before stuffing the mold with some blended fiber. You could then add some more pure color fiber to the top of the blended fiber and then felt well. The result is a heart bead you see in the photo on the right. Another variation would be to add these wisps of pure color in combination with a solid color of fiber, or one that has been blended to be predominantly red. By controlling the placement of the fiber in the mold, you can create different effects. By placing a long bit of purple fiber, as seen in the photo on the left, stuffing the mold with red fiber, and then wrapping the purple fiber back across the top of the red fiber, felting, you can create the striped heart bead that's seen in the photo on the right. Now let's try just a little bit of red fiber. We've placed a little bit of red fiber in the bottom of the mold. Let's stuff it with pure purple fiber and then add just a little bit of red to the top. Now felt the bead very well. The result might be a predominantly purple bead with some red decoration similar to the one above. You can roll your two colors into a swirl before stuffing the mold and felting it well. That makes another interesting and easy variation. Place red in one corner of the heart and stuff the rest with purple, and you might get a bead similar to this one. You could try reversing the colors or using two portions of red to the purple. There are so many variations, and it's fun to experiment with the possibilities. Make as many heart beads as you will need to make a bracelet that will fit your wrists comfortably. You can add other beads as spacers in between your heart beads. The heart beads can be strung together side by side or in patterns similar to those above. How you string your beads can completely change the look of your bracelet. If you are using the Clover Rose mold, you could use it to make heart beads of different sizes or to make leaf-shaped beads. You can combine all of these in interesting ways, and you could sew on seed beads as additional decoration. The possibilities are really endless. But let's finish putting together our bracelet. Using a needle and some elastic cord, string the heart beads together. Pull the elastic tight and double knot the ends. Trim away the excess cord. You've made a quick and easy heart bead bracelet. Well, let's look at some other variations. This bracelet consists of heart beads made of just blended colors. The points of the hearts in this bracelet have been strung to alternate. To keep them in this pattern, the elastic cord was strung through all the beads twice. You can completely change the look of the bracelet by adding more hearts of different sizes and orienting all the points towards the middle. I also embellished the hearts on this bracelet with soy silk. You can use jewelry findings to link the heart beads together for a completely different look. These beads were also embellished with soy silk. These bracelets are fun and easy to make. Change the colors and you have a totally different look. Questions or need help with this class? Please join my group on the Craft EDU community. Thank you for taking my quick and easy heart bracelet beginner's needle felting class. For Craft EDU, this is Harlan.